Hi, thanks for checking out our channel here. This is just a show and tell of a fence charger that we worked on. It's hard to see it, but it's a Dare Enforcer. It's well wore off. A model DE2400. It's a 6-joule unit that is made for the Dare people. So we got this thing up and running for a customer. So if you want to send one in to us for repair, we're happy to look at it for you. We do give free quotes, and you're welcome to send it to us for repair. So if you got one, send on in here. But this is the inside of it, what it looks like. Got your transformer, your output protection board right here, your main board here, and your capacitor there. So this is a pretty basic unit on how it operates. There's fancier parts on the board, but the way it works is pretty normal for most fence chargers. You know, power comes into the unit out here. AC has a couple fuses on it, one up top here and one down the bottom side. Then it goes through this main board. This little transformer kind of builds the power up gradually, and then it gets over to the capacitor, which ties in over here on these wires over here, which is part of the transformer as well. And there's a timing device on it that controls when it wants to discharge and fire. And when it fires the energy from the capacitor, it fires it into the transformer, which spikes it up and spits it over to your fence and ground terminals here. And goes through this little board here. This board here is just a lightning protection board right here. This has no function to how the unit works. You actually pull this board out and get rid of it, and take these wires here and plug in right onto there. Some of the earlier ones didn't even have this board in it, so they added it later on. But this is it working. You know, we fixed the unit up for a customer, so if you've got one, send it in here. Parts are available. They can be fixed. Their parts are pretty reasonable on the prices and stuff, so they're not too bad to do. Even shipping it back and forth, you know, isn't too bad. So yeah, happy to take a look at it. They make a smaller one, larger ones of the Dare units. This is basically a Power Wizard PW6000. That's what this unit basically is on the inside. But fencerfixer.com is our website, our address. But we work in all brands and ages of electric fence chargers, but you're welcome to get a hold of us. Free quote. And we do 18-month warranties on all the repairs that we do to a unit. So clicking along there, we'll put a tester across it, show you it working. About 7,000 volts out of it. Put a screwdriver across a little spark gap down here, and then we'll see it jump a spark. Wasn't expecting it. Camera's having a hard time picking it up, but it is sparking every time. See, and put a bunch of little burnt spots on my screwdriver there. So a pretty hot little charger. So if you got one, send it on in here, we'll get you fixed up. So until next time, we'll see you guys later, and have a good day.